Seedance 2 and Seedance 2 Fast are now part of FlexClip AI video generator. On my channel I already made a couple of videos about this FlexClip AI video generator, but lately they added a lot of AI tools, especially for video generation and image generation. As you can see now, they have many supported AI models, Veo 3.1, Kling AI and even Seedance 2.0. If you want to try FlexClip for free, you can find the link in the description and you have a free plan here, but if you want all the features, obviously you need to go to the higher plans, the plus one or the business one. This is the monthly price. If you choose the annually price, as you can see, you can get a really good discount. Again, link is in the description, so you can go here and check all the features you can get with this tool. But now let's take a quick look at all the AI options you can get here in FlexClip. As you can see, this is the main dashboard. Here in this menu I have AI tools. I can click here and I have different tools starting from the popular ones, but you can choose between image tools, AI image to image, text to image, the background remover, the old photo restoration and many more. In the video section, the AI video generator, the AI recap, this is pretty interesting. As you can see, you can transform long videos to narrated stories with this tool, AI recap. Then you have AI text to full video and you can describe your idea to generate a video or use an existing script, blog URL to video, AI product to video if you want to generate a promotional video, for example, for a product or an ad for your ad campaigns. You can do it here with this AI product URL to video, and again PDF to video, AI auto subtitles, AI image to 3D animation, the AI background remover even here. You can do AI text-based editing, the video to AI sound effects generator, and here you can generate sound effects for videos with AI. In each tool you can see how many credits you need to generate your outputs, so in this case it's 0.3 credits. Let's go to the audio section. You also have an AI music generator and you can choose between these different models, the Minimax, Hilo 2.0 and 2.5, AI text-to-speech, the AI translator, audio to audio, audio noise reducer, AI vocal remover, AI sound effect and AI voice cloning. And this is very easy to use, you just need to upload a 90 seconds audio and you can clone your voice. Many of these tools are pretty new here in FlexClip, so if you want you can again click on the link in the description and maybe try them out for yourself. For the sake of this example, let's try the AI video generator, because this is where you can generate any kind of video by using different models. The default ones are the Pro and the Ultra one. As you can see, with the Pro you can generate up to 720p videos and with Ultra up to 180p videos. With the Pro you can use a start and end frame, and with Ultra you can use shots. Again, you can see how many credits you need to use all these different models, from Minimax to Kling to the Google ones, Dream Actor M2.0, Google Veo 3.1, Grok Imaging Video. The cheapest one, I suppose, it's Kling 3.0 motion control, but for this video let's try the ByteDance Seedance 2.0, one of the latest model added here in FlexClip. And as you can see, you have some restrictions here. You can even upload images or video or audio if you want to use them to generate your video. you get a prompt guide here if you want to generate the best prompts for this specific AI model. With the help of AI, I generated this script. As you can see, it's pretty long. Let's choose 15 seconds. I have a description of the scene and some other details like lighting, the duration, even here, and so on. You can activate a web search if you want. In this case, the model will decide whether to search the web based on your prompt. If you maybe want some specific products or anything else that needs search, this is pretty interesting. You can choose if you want audio. Let's say we want audio, and the visibility, you can decide if you want to post to community, shareable link, or private. Let's keep it shareable. And because I choose a 50 seconds video, as you can see, the cost for this video will be 210 credits. Obviously, the output is based on what Seedance 2.0 is able to generate. So let's generate this video. It's working, it's generating. Okay, perfect. My video is ready. It took some minutes to generate, so let's take a quick look. It's 15 seconds, as you can see. Okay, pretty interesting, pretty good. There are no people in this case, but you obviously can generate whatever you want. Here I have these edit button, so I can click on edit and I can use my AI generated video here in the main video editor, where I can also add some other things, music, AI speech, elements, and so on. Okay, so now you also have Seedance here, Seedance 2.0 and 2.0 fast in FlexClip, but I want to show you another interesting feature. It's called video effects, and you can find it from here or even from the dashboard. And if you search for already made effects, maybe you don't have ideas on what kind of effects you want to generate. As you can see, you have ready-made ones. Here you can see some examples. You have these Squish, pretty interesting. You can have this dizzy effect or expansion effect. These are already made effects, so you just need to, for example, choose one of these, upload your image, and just generate to have the same effect. I will use one of my images, and let's try to generate with this effect, this squish effect. As you can see. Pretty awesome, this effect, and it's just an example. You have some other for products. This is a very easy and simple product show. You have the fuzzy one, you have the kiss just by uploading two people, one near the other. You have the muscle one, and the baby one, and many other already made for you. You just need to upload a photo and that's it. I find this feature pretty cool. So this was just a quick update for the new AI tools you can find in FlexClip. Now you can do pretty much everything, and I will say for a good price, and with a tool that's pretty good to use. It's pretty fast, I always say that. These are the pricing plan. Again, link is in the description. You can start for free and try the basic features, but if you want to use it better and use the advanced feature, you can go to the plus one or the business one, and by choosing the annually plan, as you can see, the price is really low. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, click on the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next one.